Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the products that I have bought. So these are the products that I bought from Nika. Oh, so the packaging that you can see is really nice. As you can see, the packaging is really quite good, right? Like these bubble packing and all these packing is really nice. So thumbs up to Nika for all this good packaging. And these are the other products that I have bought, so let's review all them for you. And yes, I will make an individual review on all these products, so yeah, get connected. As you can see, the packaging is really nice. So these are the products that I have bought for myself and my cousin. Actually, I have bought these products earlier. In this video is I'm posting it so long, like I had bought them a month ago, and here it is. This is salicylic LHA 2% cleanser. It is one of the best cleanser out there. I really love it because it has 2% salicylic acid, which is really going to target all those pores and everything. As you can see, this one is great. So the next one is it's a surprise though. Okay, we have two. Okay, the first one is okay, so the first one is retinol. It's good, it's great, it's like king of all these other ingredients actives right there. Retinol 0.3% plus Q10 enzyme. Yeah, great. This is hyaluronic acid. I just love it because it is really good for winters. It's going to add any hydration to your skincare. So the next one is, so quite these are the next one. Okay, so the one is actually a 25% AHA BHA peel. Yeah, so one is AHA 25% plus BHA 5% plus BHA 2%, which is quite nice. This product is amazing for all those pores to get out. Yeah, and this is alpha butane, which is for your hyperpigmentation. If you have hyperpigmentation, I would really suggest you to use this, and make sure to use all this minimalist product for 28 days. So that's this is a different one. This is a cleanser. Actually, I bought it for using with retinol. Actually, I had like this one. This one is a gentle one, and that one from Be Minimalist is much like an active of 2% salicylic acid. So I don't want any reaction over my skin or any, no retinol. You don't have to mix retinol with salicylic acid. And the packaging is really nice. As you can see, this is the different one. This is the new version of, like, pop. And you can see, yeah, this one is from Simple, and it is one of the best cleanser out there. If it's a gentle one, it doesn't have any soap, any sulfates, it's nice. It's like gentle one. So these are the products that I have bought for, like, these are the one. I love Be Minimalist, and they have great range of products. You can try one, and I really love this cleanser. And don't get confused why I have bought two cleanser at a time. Actually, that one is for retinol and this one is for like daily use. So yeah, and it has like great ingredients. Great. So if you want review about all these products individually, just comment down below. I will make a video about a detailed video about every single product that I have bought. So these are the one. I actually really love them. Comment down below which one is your favorite amongst them. And so these are the only ones that I have bought. As you can see, the packaging was nice. Thumbs up to Nika. This is great. So this one is really good. The cleanser is really nice. You can buy it. I will make a detailed video about it and post it. So guys, this is it for today's video, and if you want any other review on any other product, just comment down below. I'll be there. Thank you.